Hello, hello! Welcome back to this Unity adventure. Today is a very special day. We just came off stage to do this 900th show. Lea doesn't feel like talking so much today, so I'm taking over. So we bought a cake, and it is actually a really intense cake. I just discovered the cake myself. Lea went to buy it, and it is like blowing my mind right now. Take a look at this, guys.
Great.
Like, what is like this? This feels like an extraterrestrial, like spaceship coming to Earth from planet Cookie. Does this look delicious to you? Because it does look delicious to me. We're gonna make a 900th, and this is our tradition. Actually, we always make a picture. So we'll make a little great picture, which we're gonna show to our kids later. What's so special? I just want to give an update to this video, actually, because it's been a while we didn't put a video out, and we actually just restarted doing these shows here at the Moulin Rouge a week and 3 days ago. And I was off of work for 3 months and 3 weeks. I tore the ligament in my foot on the 7th of May, and so on the 21st of August, I just restarted work with Lelushka, beautiful, amazing Lelushka, my lovely partner, which I love so much, the loveliest and the smartest and the most beautiful of all the girls on earth. I love you.
Oh my god, this was very intense.
I'm making her blush right now.
Yes, I'm blushing.
I just came back to Moulin. Lea was doing her solo in a red dress. She was the red girl of Moulin Rouge, and she did amazing. She had an amazing solo act. And so actually it was funny because I could enjoy Paris, like I had a great summer. Lea had a great summer too, but working. And now we will be here at Moulin until December. So that's pretty much the news. I'm just excited. We were supposed to have this 900th show like 3 months ago, but here we are. Today is the day. So let's take some pictures and eat the cake.
That was so good.
I would love to have an update as well, but there was not so much update in my life. I kept doing this work by myself. We are finishing this contract here at the Moulin Rouge at the end of this year, so the end of December. Like actually we're gonna finish on the 31st of December, so it's gonna be like a New Year's last show. And then we're gonna be moving again and kind of figuring out where we're gonna go next.
Freelancing. Yeah. How do you feel about that?
Actually, I'm excited about it.
Yeah.
A bit nervous, but I'm excited. Like Francis had a kind of a long break because of his injury, but I didn't really have a long break for a while, and I feel like just having a break and figuring out what else I want to do in life.
I feel like I want to stay in Paris. I really like the city. I made lots of friends since we arrived here, and at the end, in December, it's going to be 2 years that we're here, and even more because we did other contracts before, and I just feel like it's been such a long time that all of my life is in Paris right now, and so I want to stay.
So this is me from the future right now. Actually, we ended up not staying in Paris, or at least Francis didn't stay in Paris, and I'm still kind of figuring out where I'm staying right now. But yes, update for right now, we're not in Paris anymore. We had a great time there. We finished our last shows. There's going to be a couple more videos about the Moulin Rouge shows, but now we're actually in Montreal and freelancing, performing all over the world, and there's going to be more cool videos coming soon.
We're gonna eat, have fun, invite our partner, colleagues,
Share with our friends.
share love, share smiles, and share cake with your friends.
Like that. That's a good ending.
Worst night ever.
So we're doing this because we forgot a knife. Usually we don't eat cake like this.
I don't care. Yeah.
Serioshka, you're back.
I didn't see you. What happens?
What?
900!
That's it. So this time we tried, yeah, I know, we have a shitty knife, but we have a green cake.
Green cake is my favorite. How you know? Oh, that is nice. Very different this cake. Happy 900 shows.
What is your news? Tell us.
What is my news? To who I have to tell? The ring?
Ah!
I'm married now.
Ah! Yeah?
It's gonna be to your subscribers.
It's for my subscribers.
Guys, if you ever will work with these people, it's nice. They celebrate every 100 shows. So it's amazing, wonderful people who treat us good.
Gato, if you want, there's cake.
Come on, we gaan happy.
Serioshka's already eating it all.
It's big macaron, точно.
Oh, it's big macaron.
It's big macaron. What is your news? Serioshka told us that he was married.
I'm gonna turn 31 on Monday. And I hate it.
What is 3rd September?
Yeah, 3rd.
3rd.
On Monday, we're
I
not
don't
gonna.
like this idea.
You don't like? Why not?
I don't know. So
31?
yeah.
Oh.
Like, yeah. You're Dadushka. I'm not yet.
3.
33 is nice because you can.
It's Jesus' age.
Yeah.
Jesus' age.
It's Jesus' age.
Yeah, it's 33. Jesus age. Not at all.
I think it's one of the best we had so far. No? You're like 500.
No, I don't. Actually, I don't remember the other ones.
Jonathan!
Jonathan!
Jojo!
Thank you very much.
Gâteau! C'est un gros macaron.
He's married though.
He put a ring on it. Alright, are you guys ready for finals?
Yeah.
Gotta change for finals. Thank you for being on camera. Yeah, you have the last word.
Thank you. Celebrate, eat cake.
Bye!
Bye.
Merci.
Don't know how I found you. I guess that dreams come true when you least expect them to. Ain't life fun? How did I get so lucky?